Hi, I am Sri Karthik. I am studying in Fountainhead the Global School, Class 3. Today I am going to show you a volcanic eruption. The things you will be needing are an empty bottle, a piece of cardboard made into volcano and painted like it, baking soda and some vinegar. How to make it is, take the baking soda and throw it in the bottle. Then put the cone on it. Take the vinegar. Then the volcano will erupt. Let me explain how it works. When you add the baking soda into the vinegar, it lets the carbon dioxide out in the form of foam and looks like an erupting volcano. If you want more eruption, pour the vinegar and add the baking soda. Thank you.